Hello, today we're going to be talking about the linear regression model. So, the linear regression model is a great statistical tool that can be used to determine the relationship between an independent variable and a dependent variable when you have a data set with a bunch of different data points. Now, we can see this now if we plot all these points onto a graph, we can see a slight relationship between the two. Now, this relationship can either be positive or negative, and it can be sometimes just be linear, like straight. Now, we represent this relationship by using a line, and this line is referred to as the line of best fit, where we have the least amount of errors. And these errors are represented by these blue dotted lines that you can see here on the graph. The line that has the least amount of errors is considered the line of best fit, and is the line that is used to represent the linear relationship between two different types of variables. And it could be more variables at times depending on the certain situation. Now, this statistical concept is really important, especially in the engineering world, because, for example, for me, I am in mechanical engineering. And one of the main things that we do in mechanical engineering is finding the right materials for the right processes. And a very important aspect is material science. And in material science, you pretty much find what is the best type of material to use for a certain application. And this is how we can use linear regression in this way, in this aspect. Now, when we measure the different qualities of a material, we have the mechanical properties of a material, and we basically need to find the tensile strength and the yield strength of material when there is stress applied. Now, as stress increases, we can either measure the tensile strength and then we could eventually measure the yield strength. And this is the difference between different types of materials. And the importance of linear regressions in this application is that if we are able to find the yield strength and then and if there is a relationship between the tensile strength and the yield strength, we can have a positive relationship, and we would be able to find the tensile strength or make an approximation of the tensile strength when given the yield strength, and vice versa. We will be able to make a prediction about what the yield strength would be when we would be given the tensile strength. Thank you.